Assalamu alaikum dosto, dear friends. Today we're going to make this famous Pakistani meal. It's a very nice meal. It's a chicken tikka with roti, naan and vegetables and raita. So let's go and how to see how to do it. Okay, I have here a plastic sheet and I'm gonna make a form, putting it in the form machine to make the shape. This wood piece I did it homemade according to the shape of the container, the white container where tikka comes in, and I put it in this forming machine and I have it like that. So we will gonna come, I'll show you. We're gonna cut the excess and we will trim it till we have a very neat and clean box. If you are interested, I can show you how to make this forming machine at home. Just write for me in the comments, then I will make a video for this. Okay, and it's very nice and it's working. All right, great. Now I put this in aside and I'm using here salt dough, homemade salt dough. I'll try to make the chicken tikka. I'm gonna make two pieces. One is chicken breast and the other one is chicken leg. Here I'll try to make the wing. I'm having here a piece of wood. This wood is toothpick, and I will make the dough around it like that, and they'll cut the excess. Try to make it like we can see a little bit of the wood. Now I'll make the chicken thigh. Sorry. I'll try to mix them and join them like this. As you know, the tikka always they have those kind of deep cuts. The men always do it like that because so the masala, as you know, it will go inside. Now this is the part on top, and I will try to make a little bit of the wood clear and some of the dough like this coming out, trying to make it as much as I can, realistic as much as I can. Make it deep because, as you know, the salt dough when it dries it comes up, so all the deepness we did, it will disappear. So make sure that you make it too much deep. Okay, put it in a side. Then now we will do the other part, which is the chicken breast. Now this is the wing which we did it before, and I join them together with a little bit of water. Again, we will form those cuts. Before we color them. Tikka is one of my favorite dishes. Okay, now we have both of them. We will try to color them now. I'm using here pastel color, trying to give a shade, very light. Now if you want to speed the process, you can put them in the oven for 1 minute in a very low temperature. Or if the dough is hard enough, then you can put the colors on it like that. Okay? Try to cover it everywhere, especially in the deep cuts. Like you see, I'm doing it with add a little bit water to the powder color and put it inside. It's a kind of 3D thing because it's deep inside, so we have to make it dark so it will look like it is deep. If you are interested in any other Pakistani or Indian dish, please write for me in the comments, then we will try to do it. Okay, now try to put a little bit water, so with dark orange. I'm using the color of orange here. I'm mixing actually a little bit of the turmeric, real turmeric, and chicken masala because it has color. Nothing will be the same color as the real food color used in the chicken tikka. You got it? Now trying to put a little bit of the, you see, it gives a realistic color because I'm using here turmeric or I'm using chicken tikka masala. Whenever it expires, I'm using it. Okay, with little bit water, and I'm using little bit of black sand. Indicate that it is some spices. You see that? Here we go. Now this is another way of doing it, trying to show you. So let's do it again. This is the chicken leg. As you know, I put toothpick, and I found the leg is like up and down, like you see. Trying to remove some of the excess here, trying to show some of the bone. Basically, not the bone, the wood of the toothpick. I cut the extra and I make the chicken thigh. Join them like this with water, trying to see the real shape. And the chicken breast as well, we have to do some cuts. Now this way I'm gonna color it in a different way. I'm gonna use some paste out of the salt dough. I mix the salt dough. It's like I'm making mixing the mixture of the yogurt and chicken tikka. You know the mixture of chicken tikka, yogurt and chicken tikka. We mix them together with oil and we make the masala to marinate the chicken. So the same technique I'm using it here, but I am dissolving. Okay, see, I'm joining it. I will be dissolving a little bit of the salt dough, and I put to it, I add to it a little bit of the chicken masala, tikka masala, which is basically has food color and it has turmeric. Okay, here we go. I'm mixing it, and I'm gonna apply it. Here is the turmeric also, and the sand, and tikka masala. See, it gives me the natural color. Now I'm adding here a little bit of the glass color, which is the orange, which is indicate the oil, and I'm gonna cover it all like that. It looks like that it is marinated, right? This is the second technique to do it, or you can select the one you like, which is easy for you. One more piece. Try to put everywhere, even in the deep areas. Now I'm putting here a little bit black color, pastel. You know, when it comes from the barbecue, it will have a little bit of this and little bit of the black sand, joining it with white little bit glue. Now I am going to put a little bit of varnish on top to make it a little bit shiny. Now we will go to the naan. I'm using soldo as you know. I'm going to make it like this, and with my finger I put a little bit of the powder color, and I will just cover on top only. So the color will be on top only and doesn't go in the deep. So it gives you that it is 3D. Here we go. Now I'll prepare my fridge magnet. I put the box after I put the sticker of the desi dastarkhan. And I put the tomato, pre-vegetable I have done before, and the tikkas. And this is the chutney, mint chutney. And the naan, as they are giving us in the shop, they put it always in a foil paper, like this. Now the whole unit can be used as a fridge magnet. It can be given as a gift for those people whom they like tikka. Here we go. The whole thing. Then I will stuck them with the glue. Please like and comment and subscribe to my channel if you like it, and if you need more, write in the comment what you want me to do. Give me your opinion, and join my Facebook group. I will leave the link in the description box, and you can discuss anything you want about the project. Say mashallah. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.